So here's our hood release pull cable. You guys know they usually have that plastic pull handle under the left hand side of the dash. So, and that was right here, it's missing, and we got a frayed cable. So before this breaks, and it's a real pain in the butt to get the hood open, we got a replacement cable and latch from Dorman. They make nice products, so I've always used products from them, never had any issues. So basically OEM quality stuff. So new cable comes with a new pull latch, so we're gonna get this thing put in there so we can get the hood up and down again. Whenever I'm crawling up under dashboards and stuff, you guys know how it's hard to see. I use these little LED headlamps, and they're so helpful. They're rechargeable and they're super light, so that way I can see what I'm doing. We were able to get the old one out, so they come with this firewall grommet on it. So I'm gonna feed it in from cab side first, obviously, because it's got this big handle on it, so I don't want to have to pull that off. So I don't know where my WD-40 is. I'm going to use a little bit of 3-in-1, put a little oil on this thing. That way we could feed it up in through that firewall hole, and grommet will pop right in the hole. So the routing's pretty important to make sure it doesn't bind or anything like that. So thankfully I've got my other OBS truck right here. I'm just gonna verify the exact routing of that hood release cable, exactly how it's done here, and I'm gonna just copy that routing because mine works perfect. I know it's right. It's still factory, so it's never been off. So it looks like it comes out of the firewall there, and then it's attached to the inner fender here, goes up over the ECU, and then drops down into the core support and just runs through the core support to the latch assembly. So that looks fairly simple and straightforward, so that's how we're going to do it on the dually. There we go. So we got that in. Out of the firewall, up over the ECU, up against the inner fender, around the little storage box, in through this access hole in the core support, and then straight shot to the hood latch. So got that all